Good day everyone. For today's video, I'm going to share my ideas to you on how to disassemble a computer system. I am Jero Angelo Rogero, a CSS student in Alaminos City National High School.
Hi, I'm Mike Asenku. Note, I will show you the 12 OHS procedures to follow in Computer System Servicing NC2.
Step 1. Unplug the AC power supply to the PC from the wall socket. This one is the first step to begin a PC disassemble process. Always remember, first disconnect all the power supply connected to your computer system before starting to remove parts. Step 2. Remove the case covering. Loose the screws and remove the case covering to access the inside parts of the CPU cabinet case. Step 3. Unplug the bus cables and ATX power cables. Disconnect all the cables one by one inside the CPU case. First, disconnect ATX power cables from the motherboard. After that, disconnect power supply cables, bus cables from the HDD, SSD, and motherboard. Step 4. Remove adapter cards if any. If any adapter is connected, then we disconnect the cards from the motherboard. Step 5. Remove the processor and the heatsink and fan. Now it's time to remove the heatsink from the motherboard. Generally, the CPU fan and the heatsink attach together. If it is separated in the case, you need to remove the fan first. After that, you can remove the CPU heatsink. In final step, unlock the processor socket and remove the processor from the motherboard carefully. Step 6. Remove hard disks and CD, DVD drives. It's time to remove the other parts of the computer system. Remove the hard disk drive or SSD from the motherboard. You can also remove the CD DVD drive from the CPU case. Step 7. Remove memory modules. In this process, you do remove the RAM from the motherboard. First, unlock the RAM from the both ends and pull the RAM carefully. Step 8. Remove the power supply unit or PSU. Already you know, SMPS supplies power to the various parts of the computer system. Here you need to remove the SMPS from the CPU cabinet case. Step 9. Remove the motherboard. The final step of the PC disassemble process is this one. Carefully remove the motherboard from the CPU cabinet. I wish you understand the process to disassemble a computer system. If you practice more, then you can comfortably perform the disassemble of the computer. Thanks for watching.